Hi, my name is Andy with Mr. AC, and today I'd like to discuss drain lines. All of the humidity we remove here in Florida has to go somewhere outside of your home. Your condensate drain line is one of the most problematic items on an HVAC system. So I'm going to show you today how to clean them quickly, effectively, and in the event that you do have a problem, how to recognize it. All right, so now that we've identified we have an issue, whether it be a blank thermostat, water on the ground, we are going to rectify it. We have a safety switch which is attached to your air conditioning system. When your air conditioning system fills up with water or the drain line backs up, this safety switch is designed to cut the system out. Now, if you were to remove this switch and look in there and you saw water in there, it'd be a clear indicator you have a backed up condensate line. What we need to do is we need to find out where the exit point of the condensate line is, where that termination is. Usually it's outside. All right, we're outside where the magic happens. Grab your shop vac, remove the filter from the inside. No need to destroy that. Grab the end of the hose. As you can see, the end of the hose is much larger than the condensate line. You can either take a 3/4 inch fitting and wrap it in duct tape and put it in here, or grab yourself a rag. Slide the end of the hose over the drain line. Use a rag. Wrap like that. Turn that on, and we are ready to move on to the next step of the process. All right, so in this particular application, now that we have our vacuum cleaner running, you can hear it inside. One of the most important things is to be able to hear the difference when the vacuum cleaner is actively working. So when we pull this clean out, we call this a clean out cap, and you may have one located in different places, and that depends on the design of the air conditioning system. When you pull this clean out cap off, you should clearly hear the vacuum cleaner. If you do not hear the vacuum on the other end of the line, and you don't hear it or even feel the suction here, then your vacuum cleaner may be hooked to the wrong line, or you may have a clog that is not easily broken free. But in the event you can hear the vacuum cleaner, what you're going to want to do is make sure that the safety switch cup is clear. You can also hear the vacuum operating through there and feel the vacuum, so we know that if there was any water in there, it's been pulled out. But we want to make sure that we get any loose debris that could be in there. So we remove our clean out cap with the vacuum running. Is very, very important. And we are going to dump, in perfect world, about a gallon. But here today we're going to dump a bottle or two of water down there is what we have. But if you have a gallon jug, it's a great idea to run as much water as you can while your vacuum cleaner is running through this line. You could run 10 gallons if you so choose. The more water you run while the vacuum cleaner is running, the more clean the drain line will be. Now, it still doesn't address much up in here in the pan, but for an immediate solution to a clogged drain line, this will get you going every time. But we're not done yet. All right, so after we've vacuumed the drain line and all the debris have been removed and we've poured some water through there so it was able to flush anything out, we need to ensure we refill the drain line. 9 times out of 10, there's going to be what's called a trap, and if that trap does not have water in it, your air conditioning system will not drain properly, which it is as simple as, without the vacuum cleaner running, pouring water down the drain line. And I also recommend that you pour water down the drain line until you or maybe a partner at your house can go outside and take a look and ensure that the drain is flowing freely with clear water. If you're noticing some more debris coming out of the drain line, you're going to want to go ahead and hook up the vacuum cleaner again and repeat the process of pouring water in the drain line with the vacuum cleaner running until it runs clear. If these tasks and steps are completed in the order that we've shown here, you can successfully clean your drain line in anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. We wish you the best of luck, and we're here to take care of you in the event that you do need some professional service. One thing we don't want to forget is maintenance on drain lines. For years, many people felt bleach was a great idea to put in there. White vinegar has been the latest craze over the last decade or so. The issue with bleach is it's caustic. And if you look at pool equipment has damage from the chlorine. We do not want to mix any kind of a chemical that could potentially damage the metal inside of here. And even though it is going down the drain line, the fumes still can come back up into the system. And we have seen where someone utilizing that for the course of a few years can cause damage to the system. So we recommend cleaning the drain lines and having a preventive maintenance done every 6 months on your system. We also clean the drain lines when we're out there. It will keep your problems to a minimum. But you're welcome to read more about us at our website, callmrac.com.